of all, education is a subject which integrates with many fields of knowledge, and it interconnects all the subjects to widen its scope. In this present discussion, we are going to know about the relationship of education with different fields of knowledge. First of all, interdisciplinary approach. What is interdisciplinary approach? It involves the combining of two or more disciplines to form a new discipline. It is elaborated with the help of a simple diagram. First, A is a discipline and B is another discipline which is combining to form a new discipline which is C. The main objective of my discussion is to know about what is interdisciplinary approach and to know the relationship of education with other knowledges and the importance of education as an interdisciplinary field of approach and the related subjects to education. The characteristics of interdisciplinary approach can be discussed as it is inclusive in nature, it widens the field of knowledge, it covered interrelated subject or the topics are always interrelated in that, and the scope of content is very wide. Here is a diagrammatic illustration of education with other subjects like history, political science, geography, physics, sociology and many other subjects. Now we will discuss some of them elaborated because I can't explain all the subjects, so I have chosen some selected subjects to elaborate my topics. First is relationship of education with comparative education. As we know, comparative education is something which compares the study of educational process. With help of these comparative education, we can compare our judgment or analyze the other states' education or the education of other countries in the world. Next is the relationship of education with management. The main theme of management in education is to improve the subject by involving management science in education. Moving to the next slide, relationship of education with physics. Physics is an important part of education as it involves the inanimate nature of this world, like the non-living things, the desk, chair and other non-living things we see in this world. They all come under physics. And then the relationship of education with history. As history is the storehouse of historical knowledge, so for understanding human civilization, we can only take help from history, and the knowledge of history helps us to understand the historical events that happened. Next is the relationship of education with psychology. Psychology is the most important part of education. In our B.Ed curriculum also we learn about some psychological portions like cognitive development and psychosexual development in a child that are many very important parts of psychology. Then the relationship of education with technology. Technology nowadays, in present scenario, technology is the most important thing to involve in our teaching learning process. Just now we are presenting this with the help of technology, with the help of projector, and for our smart classes also we need computer, we need smartphones, we need some apps to use so that we can give our students practical knowledge of technology. The next is the relationship of education with economics. The knowledge of economics or the knowledge of Arthashastra gives us the proper planning, helps us to plan properly our resources, especially the financial resources that we have, and to manage our educational process better, in a better form. And the next is relationship of education with geography. Geography helps us to understand or to establish the relationship between man and nature. Lastly, we can conclude that education is considered as interdisciplinary field of study because it involves or integrates various subjects and the students are not burdened with the boring lessons and they can widen the fields of knowledge and use different subjects. These are some references I have
Thank you.